Today we're trying out the Aldi Cyclonic Stick Vacuum Cleaner. We picked this up from the Aldi store and paid $49.99. Now this did come in black or white and we've chosen this white one. It comes with the HEPA filter, a rechargeable battery, it has an LED display and the washable dust container has a capacity of just over half a litre. Included with this you get the small brush nozzle, the floor nozzle and a long crevice nozzle. It's a 2-in-1 function operation as a stick or a handheld vacuum cleaner. It takes around 4.5 hours to charge up and has a running time of around 18 minutes if you're using the maximum setting or 32 minutes on the eco setting. And the suction pressure is more than double when you're using it in the maximum mode than in the eco mode. And this does come with a 3-year warranty. So let's get this out of the box and see what we're looking at. This comes with the user manual. This is the parts, cleaning and the maintenance guide. It tells you how to mount the wall bracket and how to use the accessories. So this comes with the main part of the hoover. You've got the long pole, the floor nozzle, the long crevice nozzle and the brush nozzle. We've also got the wall mounting kit with screws, an accessories tidy or clip, and the charger, which has quite a good length lead. So the main body of the hoover isn't too heavy. It's got quite a nice handle on there. You've got the dust container just at one end. There's a release catch so that you can empty that nice and easily. You've got the display panel just on the top that will tell you what the battery is up to and what mode you're using. The trigger start button just underneath. On the back you've got the mode selector, so you can choose between eco or maximum mode. There's also a release catch, so you can take that dust container off for emptying and cleaning. And just underneath is where you plug in the power cable. If you want to change or wash out the filter and the dust container, you can use the release catch to take it off the main body. You can pull out the filter for washing or changing, and you can also take out the inside parts so they can all be washed and cleaned. When they're completely dry, it all slots back together. When you're using the attachments, they can all be attached either to the end of the long pole and then the pole attached to the main body, or you can attach them directly onto the main body and use it as a handheld. They all have a release catch on for taking them off again, and they're nice and simple to change. When you're charging up the vacuum, you'll plug the cable into the socket just at the bottom. If you're using the wall mounting bracket, that cable can be fed into that so that when you hang your vacuum cleaner, it will automatically plug in and charge up for you. You can keep everything tidy and together using the nozzle clip, which can be attached to the long pole, and simply click those nozzles together. Or you can use the wall mount, and those nozzles fit nicely onto there. The battery will need a full charge up before we use it, so we're going to get that plugged in, charged up, and then try it out and see how it goes. So there we have it, that's the Aldi Cyclonic Stick Vacuum Cleaner. I think that's a great price, really easy to use, seems quite powerful when you need it to be, and has done the job really well. I like the accessories that come with it, they're very handy, and I think this is going to be perfect for in a smaller house or apartment, or maybe in your caravan. I have done quite a few jobs around the house. I've had it running for almost 30 minutes before that battery's run out. And I have been using it both on eco and maximum mode. So we're going to add this to our Aldi Special Buys playlist, and hopefully someone's found that useful. Thanks for watching.